What if everything you were taught about money was wrong? Not slightly wrong, not a little off, completely, fundamentally wrong. Think about this for a moment. You spent over a decade in school, 12 years minimum, learning things that someone decided were important enough to teach you. Algebra, history, literature, chemistry, geography. But in all those years, not one class, not one lesson, not one single hour was spent teaching you how money actually works. Why? Was it an accident? Was it an oversight? Or was it something else entirely? Because here is what I know. The people who run the biggest financial institutions in the world, the banks, the investment firms, the corporations, they all went to school too. And they all learned exactly what school did not teach you. And right now, today, that knowledge gap is the single biggest reason why some people build generational wealth while others work their entire lives and retire with almost nothing. But here is what changes today. In the next 14 minutes, I'm going to give you the financial education you should have received years ago. The exact things wealthy people know that the rest of the world does not. And by the end of this video, that gap closes forever. But I need you to stay with me until the very end, because the last secret I share today is the one that took me the longest to understand, and it is the one that will make the biggest difference in your life. Are you ready? Because this is the video that changes everything. Let's go. Welcome back. This is day 5 of our 30-day financial freedom series. If you have not watched day 1 through day 4, go watch those immediately after this. Every video in this series is building your complete financial education from the ground up. Links are in the description. Today we go deeper than we have ever gone before. Because knowing how to budget is important. Knowing how to save is important. But understanding how money actually works at the highest level, that is what separates people who are comfortable from people who are completely free. Let's start with the first thing wealthy people know that schools never taught you. Secret number 1. Your money is losing value every single day you keep it in a savings account. Let me explain this in a way that will genuinely make you uncomfortable. Right now, as you are watching this video, the money sitting in your bank account is shrinking, not in number. The number stays the same,
to elevate
but
your
in purchasing
career
power,
in
and what that money can actually buy, it is getting smaller every
Introducing
single day.
IFA Direct
This is called
in
inflation,
collaboration
and it is the
with
silent tax that
Ukversity.
nobody talks about. Here is how it
IFA
works.
Direct,
If
the
inflation is running
trusted
at
name in
6% per
financial
year, and your savings
education,
account is paying
has
you
partnered
2%
with
interest, you are losing
Ukversity,
4% of your
renowned
purchasing
for its
power every single
expertise
year.
in online learning.
$10,000 in a savings account today,
Together,
with 6%
we bring you
inflation
an
and 2%
unparalleled
bank interest.
opportunity
In
to
10
advance
years,
your
that
financial
$10,000 will
knowledge
only buy
and
what
skills.
$6,000 buys today.
Through
You lost
IFA
$4,000,
Direct,
and the number
you'll
in your
gain
account never
industry
changed.
recognized
This is one of the most
membership and
important concepts
practicing
wealthy people understand
certificates
deeply.
to offer
Cash is
accounting
not an asset.
services in
Cash
the
is a
UK.
melting ice cube. So
With
what do wealthy people do with their
Ukversity's
money instead of
state-of-the-art
leaving it in a
online
savings
platform,
account? They
you
put
can
it to
study
work
at your
in
own
assets,
pace,
in
anytime,
investments, in things that
anywhere.
grow faster than inflation.
Choose from
Stocks,
a wide
real
range of
estate,
IFA
businesses,
Direct membership
index
groups
funds.
on completing
Because
the
money sitting still
modules
is
leading
money
to a
going backwards.
practicing
And wealthy
certificate.
people cannot tolerate money going
IFA Direct
backwards.
offers
Here is
3
your question.
routes to membership,
How much of your money is
including
currently sitting in a
intermediate
regular savings
financial
account, losing
accounting,
value every single
associate
day?
tax
And what is your
advisor,
plan
and
to put it to
financial
work? Secret number
accountant.
2. There are 2 types
Take
of
the
income,
next
and only
step
one of them
towards
builds
a
wealth.
successful
This is the
finance
concept that
career.
completely changed how I think about work and
Enroll
money.
in
And once you
IFA
understand
Direct
it, you will never
courses
look at
through
your job the same way
Ukversity
again.
today
The
and
first type
unlock
of
your
income is called
potential.
active income. This is money you
Call
earn by
us
trading
or
your time.
visit
You
website
work,
for
you
more
get paid.
details.
You stop working, the money stops.
Looking to
Every
elevate your
employee in the
career
world
in
earns active income.
finance?
Every freelancer, every contractor.
Introducing
And there is
IFA
nothing
Direct
wrong with active
in
income. It is how
collaboration with
most of us start.
Ukversity.
But active income has one fatal flaw.
IFA
It has a
Direct,
ceiling,
the
a hard
trusted
limit.
name
There
in
are only so
financial
many hours in a day.
education,
And when you
has
can no longer
partnered
work,
with
the income stops
Ukversity,
completely. The
renowned for
second
its
type of income is called
expertise
passive
in
income.
online
This is money
learning.
that comes in whether you work or
Together,
not. Whether you are
we
awake
bring you
or
an
asleep. Whether
unparalleled
you are at your desk
opportunity
or on
to
vacation.
advance your
Feel the feel
financial
right now.
knowledge and
Interest from
skills.
investments, dividends from stocks,
Through
rental income
IFA
from property.
Direct,
Royalties from
You'll
creative
gain
work,
industry
profits from a
recognized
business that runs
membership
without you.
and practicing
Wealthy people obsessively
certificates
build
to
passive
offer
income
accounting
streams because
services
passive
in the
income is the
UK.
only path to true financial
With
freedom. The
UK
moment your passive
Versity's
income exceeds your
state-of-the-art
expenses,
online
you are free,
platform, you
completely
can
free.
study at your
You
own
never have to work
pace,
for money again
anytime,
if you choose not to.
anywhere.
Here is the FOMO reality
Choose from
I
a
want you to
wide
feel
range
right
of
now.
IFA
Right
direct
now, as you are
membership
watching this
groups
video,
on
thousands of
completing the
people around the
modules
world are
leading
earning
to
money
a
in their sleep
practicing
from investments they
certificate.
build, from businesses they created,
IFA
from
Direct
assets they
offers
own.
3 routes
They are
to
not smarter than
membership,
you. They did not
including
get lucky. They
intermediate
simply learned
financial
this distinction
accounting,
between active and
associate
passive
tax
income earlier
advisor,
than you
and
did. And
financial
they made a decision to
accountant.
start building passive income
Take
streams.
the next
The
step
question is not
towards
whether
a
you can do this.
successful
The
finance
question is
career.
when you are going to start.
Enroll
What
in
passive income
IFA
streams do you
Direct
currently have?
courses through
The answer
UK
is zero.
Versity
That is the
today
most
and
important thing to
unlock your
change in your financial
potential.
life right now.
Call
Secret number
us
3.
or visit
Debt is either your
website
worst
for
enemy
more
or your most powerful
details.
tool. And wealthy people know the
If you want
difference.
to become
Most
a
people think all debt
practicing
is bad.
solicitor
Get out
or
of debt.
barrister
Avoid debt at all
while
costs.
having an
Debt is
excellent
dangerous.
foundation
And for
for
certain
other
types of
legal
debt, that is
careers,
absolutely true.
then
Credit
you
card
may
debt
want
at
to
20%
study the
interest. Personal loans for
ATHE
things that
Level
lose
3
value.
to
Car
5
loans for cars
diploma
you cannot
in law
afford.
courses
Buy now, pay later for clothes and gadgets.
taught by
This is called bad
experienced
debt,
law
and it is
lecturers.
wealth destroying. Every month you
Full
carry bad
learning
debt, you are paying
resources
someone else to
available,
make you richer while
including
you get poorer.
presentations,
But there is another
video
type of debt,
recorded
and wealthy
lectures,
people use it
ebooks,
constantly to build
articles,
enormous
and law
wealth. It is
cases.
called good debt, and
No
it is debt used to
exams,
acquire assets that
assessment
generate
via
income or
assignment.
appreciate in value. A mortgage on a rental
Progression
property that
of the
earns more in
diploma
rent than the mortgage
courses
costs.
lead to
A business loan
LLB
that funds a
degree
company
top-up
generating 10
with
times the
a
loan
UK
amount in profit. An
university.
investment in education or skills that
Study
increases
at
your
your
earning power
own
by 5
pace
times the
with
cost.
flexible
Rich people do
online
not avoid debt.
sessions
They avoid
delivered
bad
via
debt and
Zoom
strategically use
meetings.
good debt to accelerate their wealth building.
Flexible
Robert
payment
Kiyosaki built a
plans.
real estate empire using good debt.
Enroll
Warren
now
Buffett
on the
has used leverage
website
strategically throughout
or
his
call
career.
us at
The distinction is simple. Bad debt makes you poorer. Good debt used wisely makes you richer.
7374745.
Here is your question.
If you
What
want
debts
to
do you
become a
currently carry?
practicing
Are they making you
solicitor
richer
or
or
barrister
Are they funding
while having an
assets or funding
excellent
lifestyle?
foundation for
Secret number
other
4.
legal
Your network
careers,
determines your net worth
then
more
you
than
may
your
want to
education
study
ever
the
will. This one is
ATHE Level
uncomfortable for
3
most
to
people,
5
but it is one of the
diploma
most
in law
consistently true things
courses
I've ever observed about wealthy people.
taught by
Think about the 5 people you
experienced
spend
law
the most time with
lecturers.
right now. What do they talk about?
Full
What do they
learning
read? What do they
resources
think about
available,
money?
including
Because your environment is not just
presentations,
influencing you,
video
it is shaping
recorded
every financial
lectures,
decision you make.
ebooks,
Every risk you're
articles,
willing to
and
take.
law
Every
cases.
opportunity you are able to see.
No
Wealthy people are
exams,
obsessive about
assessment
surrounding themselves
via
with other wealthy
assignment.
people. Not because they are snobby, but
Progression
because
of
they
the
understand
diploma
something profound.
courses lead
You
to
cannot see
LLB
opportunities you have
degree
never been
top-up
exposed to.
with a
You cannot think
UK
thoughts you have never
university.
heard. You cannot make moves you have never
Study
seen
at
modeled.
your own
When
pace
everyone around you
with
is broke and thinks
flexible
being broke
online
is good, your brain
sessions
accepts broke
delivered
as your seal.
via Zoom
But when you surround
meetings.
yourself with people who are building businesses,
Flexible
investing in
payment
assets,
plans.
creating multiple income streams,
Enroll
suddenly those
now
things feel
on the
possible,
website
normal,
or
achievable.
call us at
You do not need to drop your current friends, but you absolutely need to add new voices to your life.
01273474745.
Mentors, community.
If you want
Books
to
written by
become a
people who have built what
practicing
you want to build.
solicitor or
Your network
barrister
is your net worth.
while
and
having
most
an
people are
excellent
bankrupting themselves with the
foundation
wrong circle.
for other
Who are
legal
the 5 people you
careers,
spend the most time
then
with?
you may want
And are
to
they pulling
study
you toward
the
the financial life you want
ATHE
or
Level
away from
3
it?
to 5
Secret number
diploma
5.
in law
Taxes are the
courses
biggest expense of your life, and wealthy people
taught
legally
by
pay far less than you
experienced
think.
law
Here is a fact
lecturers.
that most people find shocking.
Full learning
Buffett has publicly
resources
stated that he
available,
pays a lower
including
tax rate in his
presentations,
How is that
video
possible?
recorded
Is it
lectures,
illegal? Is it cheating?
ebooks, articles,
No, it
and
is
law
called tax
cases.
strategy. and it is completely
No
legal. And
exams.
it is something wealthy
Assessment
people learn
via
early and use
assignment.
consistently throughout their entire financial
Progression
lives.
of the
Here is the
diploma
basic principle.
courses
Different
lead
types
to
of income are taxed
LLB
at
degree
completely different
top-up
rates.
with
The
a
money you earn
UK
from your job, your salary,
university.
is taxed at the highest rate.
Study
In
at
most
your
countries, this
own
can be 30
pace
to
with
45% or
flexible
more. But
online
money earned from
sessions
investments,
delivered
capital
via
gains,
Zoom
dividends is often
meetings.
taxed at a much lower rate. Sometimes
Flexible
half the rate of
payment
employment
plans.
income or less. Money earned
Enroll
through a business
now
comes with
on the
dozens of legal
website
deductions,
or
business
call us
expenses,
at
depreciation, home office, vehicle costs that reduce the taxable amount dramatically.
014734745.
Wealthy people structure their income
If you
to
want to
maximize the
become a
lower tax
practicing
categories and minimize the
solicitor
higher
or
ones.
barrister,
They use legal
while
vehicles,
having an
retirement
excellent
accounts,
foundation
corporations, trusts
for other
to defer
legal
or reduce
careers,
taxes across their lifetime.
then you may want
This
to
is not about
study
cheating
the
the system. This is about
ATHE Level
understanding the
3
system
to
and
5
using it
diploma
intelligently.
in
The
law
rules exist for
courses.
everyone. Wealthy people simply take the
Taught
time
by
to learn them.
experienced
Every
law
dollar you save in
lecturers.
taxes legal is a dollar that stays
Full
invested
learning
and
resources
compounds for your
available,
future.
including
I am not a tax advisor,
presentations,
and you should work with a
video
professional for
recorded
your specific
lectures,
situation. But
ebooks,
understanding that taxes are a
articles, and law
strategy, not just an
cases.
obligation, is one of the most valuable
No
things you can
exams.
learn. Secret
Assessment
number 6.
via
Time is your
assignment.
most valuable financial asset, and most people
Progression
waste it
of the
completely.
diploma
This is the
courses
secret that I
lead
want
to
you to feel in your
LLB
bones,
degree top-up
because it is the one
with a
that most people
UK
understand too late.
university.
Let me show you the math one more time,
Study at your
because
own
it
pace
is that important.
with flexible
Person A starts
online
investing at age
sessions
22. They
delivered
invest
via Zoom
$300 per month.
meetings.
At age 30, they stop
Flexible
completely.
payment
They never invest
plans.
another dollar for the rest of their life.
Enroll
By age
now on
65,
the
with a 10%
website
average annual
or
return,
call
they
us
have
at
over $1 million. Person B starts investing at age 30. They invest $300
014734745.
per month every single month without stopping, all the way until age 65. 35 straight years of consistent investing. By age 65, they have just over $1 million. Person A invested for 8 years and then stopped. Person B invested for 35 years without stopping, and they end up with almost exactly the same amount. Why? Because Person A started 8 years earlier, and those 8 years of compound growth were worth 35 years of Person B's contributions. Time is not just important in investing. Time is everything. Every single day you wait to start is a day of compound growth you can never get back. You can always earn more money, you can always find more opportunities, but you cannot buy back time. And here is the most uncomfortable truth of this entire video. You already knew you should be investing. You already knew you should be building assets. You already knew you should be learning about money. You just kept waiting. The question is not whether you know what to do. The question is whether today is the day you finally stop waiting. Let's bring everything together. 6 secrets that wealthy people know that schools never taught you. Secret 1. Your money is losing value every day it sits in a savings account. Put it to work in assets that beat inflation. Secret 2. There are 2 types of income. Active income has a ceiling. Passive income creates freedom. Start building passive income now. Secret 3. Not all debt is bad. Eliminate bad debt aggressively. Use good debt strategically to build assets. Secret 4. Your network determines your net worth. Surround yourself with people who are building what you want to build. Secret 5. Taxes are a strategy, not just an obligation. Learn how to legally keep more of what you earn. Secret 6. Time is your most powerful financial asset, and every day you wait is compounding against you. Here is your challenge today. Pick one of these 6 secrets, the one that opened your eyes the most, and spend 30 minutes this week learning more about it. One book, one video, one article, 30 minutes. That 30 minutes of financial education today is worth more than years of hard work without direction. Share this video with someone who needs this financial education. Because the more financially educated people there are around you, the more opportunities open up for everyone. Subscribe, because tomorrow on day 6 we are talking about something that the wealthiest 1% of people do differently with their mornings, and how it directly impacts their financial success. And if you have been watching this series from day 1, drop a comment right now and tell me which day has been your favorite so far. I read every single comment, and your feedback shapes what we create next. I will see you tomorrow.